long, let's say short line, and you click from here to here, and then you'll know where it breaks the trend line, for example, if that would be a good trend line. It's not, but just for you to know, it's possible. And then the same thing is possible, is that you can change the color or whatever you want for this line. Okay, same thing with a long line. What it will do, it will take one point to the next point and then be extended, and eventually in time it will still be there. Okay, and again, if you double click on any line, you can delete those lines like that. Okay? Okay, let's talk about the indicators. So if we go back to this little indicator button here on the toolbar, and then add indicator, and then like I said earlier, there are many different indicators possible. You can go around there and see all the ADX, the overlap, EMA, exponential moving averages, for example. So let's just take this one as an example, and then you can choose if you want it on close, open, high, low price, median, for example, median or close. Let's say close. In time period, let's put it at 30, and you can choose the color and everything. Then here you go, you have your moving average line on it. Now earlier I've put a volume, so you see all your preferred or the last one you used will be there, so you don't have to go back. You can decide that you want to have a volume indicator on this one as well, and then when you go to this, if you go to the other pair and you decide that you want to have the same indicator there, you just need to go volume and exponential moving averages. Now this line, if you want to change it, you can double click, then the dots will bring, and then you edit indicator, and then you can change your settings on it. It's very simple, it's very intuitive. Then if you double click elsewhere, it will stay normal. Now just note that when you're going to leave the platform, it will remember all your previous settings, and when you reopen it will reappear exactly the same way. Okay, and the pairs that you don't have anything, you can as well decide to add the volume and then add the exponential moving average, and maybe have different settings for this one and different setting for this one, and so on. It will be individually remembered in the system. Okay, now I want to show you the order entry little window here. So in this window you have the bid and the ask price. You also have the possibility to click directly on those big buttons and place a trade instantly. So in fast moving market, it's very interesting. Scalpers also love this because there is right here a little checkbox for one-click trading. So if you check this box, you'll be able to click there and it will go directly to the market instantly. Okay, so if you decide that you think that this is going to be retracing and continuing right now, you can right click there and it will take a position there right away. Now you can also place a pending order just by clicking on the place an offer, and then you'll see the line here, and if you move the price, okay, remember it's a buy, so don't go underneath, but if you go over, it's a buy order. This is the lot size that is by default in that little platform. So you decide on the lot size and you just click OK. But then you can also good for 1 minute or good till a certain time. You want this pending order to be there until such a time. If it's not triggered, just delete it. Okay, so let's imagine that we have a regular order, and now this order is on the screen ready to take the upswing if it happens. Okay, well, let me show you when we take a real position. So if you double click on the line and you want to delete it, now let me show you how we can delete this pending order. So you double click on the line, it will highlight the two little dots, and then you just click on delete, and then are you sure? You say yes, and that's it. You got no more order. Okay, so you can use those big buttons to direct to the market or place pending orders with these buttons right here.